Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for August 2020 and I have taken items out of the bag as always. I always say this each month. And yeah, um this bag costs, if I'm not mistaken, $12 a month, but I'll put the price of the Ipsy bag in my description. And yeah, this is what the bag looks like this month, and it's like a metallic-y sort of mirrored looking bag. It's really cute, and it has this Ipsy on the tab here, and then on the inside it has Ipsy 2 with the gray lining. So pretty. And yeah, that's it. And I wanted to show you the card that came in there, and it says August 2020, the future is yours. Looking forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow from achieving with glowing skin. And it says goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. And whatever else it has here, I'm not going to read the whole thing. And then it has here on the inside, it just has all of this in here. And yeah, this is the back. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And now I'm going to show you the products that I received. The first one says Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And again, this is the front. The next item says Hempz, and it's triple moisturized Herbal whipped body cream, all day moisture, enriched with 100% natural hemp seeds. And this really smells good. I've gotten this before, but it wasn't this like blue. It was like a yellow, I think. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. And yeah. Then the next item here is Beauty for All. And it says Shadow Stick 24/7 eyeshadow. And it is, oh, I don't see the color on here, but yeah, if it says Shadow Stick. I don't know if that's the name of the color, but yeah, this is what it looks like. The light is not doing it justice, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me see if I put it on my hand. You can see it better. This is what it looks like. And again, this is it. Then the next item is Lottie. And it says AM to PM. And I'm not going to open it because it's still sealed. I might just give this to somebody. And the color is in Sunburst. And this is what it looks like. Right on the tip here, it looks just like that. And the last thing here, this is what I got, and it's an Ace Control Clarifying Cleanser. And I think this, it says, yeah, it just says Clarifying Cleanser. Alright. And yeah, this is what it looks like there. And so these are all the items that I received in my Ipsy Glam bar. My Ipsy Glam bag. Please give this video a thumbs up, or please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'm a little tired, so yeah, but this is what it looks like. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.